All right, guys, it is Thursday, January 5th. I want to check in with you, give you a little update on what's going on in the garage. We are in the last few days of RM20, our 20th sweepstakes. It's our shortest sweepstakes ever. It's almost over. We're in the final 2 weeks right now. So if you don't have your entries, get your entries. I'm sure if you're watching this, you already have entries. You're probably a VIP member. You've probably got hundreds of entries. To win this truck right here, this one-of-a-kind 1970 C10. You can see some of the interior there. I'm sure you've seen all the cool stuff we have in the build sheet video and all the other highlight videos. I think actually Alex just did a social media video on the airbag setup on this thing yesterday. So check that out on our Instagram, probably our TikTok and all that other good stuff too. All the socials. All the stuff, all the places. The suspension on this is really cool. Fun to play with and gives you a lot of range from slamming it all the way down to ride height and then even like a really high setting. So it's a really versatile truck, one of a kind, like we said. Also wanted to highlight some of our new e-com. This is some of the stuff we're featuring in our store. We're constantly upgrading and refreshing the stuff that's in the e-com store. So here's some of the new designs, some really cool stuff. We really take pride in having the highest quality merch for you guys, and we're constantly updating it because there's only so many you can have of the same t-shirt, no matter how comfortable they are. So check all that stuff out at RestoMods.com. Every purchase is going to get you entries. We're doing double entries all the way through January 17th, which is the final day to get entered to win RM20. So that's what's going on. The truck is here. I actually wanted to show you guys something cool here. You guys actually recommended, we did like a vote or we asked a question in YouTube, and you guys said you wanted the bed liner. So here's the bed liner. We actually had a spray and bed liner put in on this thing, and I think it looks really good with the colors of the truck. It just really sets this off and makes the truck a little bit more functional. It's this full spray in bed liner. I think it looks fantastic, and whoever wins RM20 is going to be stoked on that. This is the 75 Ramcharger. You guys, I think we got some videos dropping on that soon. I think we're at 30 some odd thousand.
34,000 followers.
34,000 YouTube subscribers. Again, when we get to 100,000, we are going to give away this 1975 Ramcharger. Doesn't look like much now, but if you check out the videos, it was a pretty cool truck. Full out, boys. But we're, going to take it to that next level. So check out all those videos. This is going to be off to paint. It's actually on a body cart right now. You guys have probably seen that. It's been in the back of the garage for quite a bit of time as we're finishing up some other projects at the body shop. But they're finally ready. So I think we're taking it tomorrow. Esparza, are we taking this thing tomorrow?
Yeah.
Over to SV?
Yeah, weather permitting, yeah.
Weather permitting, that's right. We got a little bit of rain. Maybe we'll get to that in a little bit. But so this thing will be heading over to body and paint to get the body done, and then we'll have it all prepped so that when we do get to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, we can go ahead and give it away to one lucky subscriber. So that's what's going on with RM20. We did the e-com update. That's the 75 Ramcharger. This is a 69 Dodge Charger. Not to be confused with the 75 Ramcharger. A little behind the scenes, some mechanics yoga going on here.
And go deeper and deeper.
We're putting in a vintage air unit into this 69 Charger. So a little look behind the scenes on how we do some of those videos. And here's the actual unit that's going in. I believe that's a Gen 4 vintage air unit. So that's going in there. And then what else do we have back here? Oh yeah. I wanted to ask you guys this. If anybody has a line on a 68 Dodge Charger, we've got this Hellcat motor sitting right back here. And we're looking for a 68 body to put that thing in. So if you have one of those, reach out to us at RestoMods. You can hit our contact link or whatever, or just comment on this video. And let us know if you have a 68 body or a line on a good one, a good project car. Maybe somebody has done some body work. I think they came from the factory with rusted trunk pans. So those are acceptable. We'll work with that. What else do we have going on? We got some new space. Let's head over to, it's a little bit rainy out here, which is weird for San Diego. But we got some new space and we got some new toys in here. Let's see what we've got. We stashed some stuff in here. Here's the 69 Chevelle.
The only word for it is...
This is our 67 Chevelle, and I need some suggestions for you guys on what we should put in here. I want to put a big block, what, like a 502 in here? Yeah. So maybe some suggestions from you guys on what we should put into this body right here. But that's pretty much it, and that's an update from us guys on Thursday. What is it, January 7th? 5th. I just time traveled right there. That was incredible. So January 5th, you got about 2 weeks left to get in on RM20. Make sure you get those entries. We will be handing a lucky winner the keys to that vehicle this month, so make sure you got your entries, and you guys are all set. Good luck, and Happy New Year. Let's fix it in post, Jeremy. Oh, it's been recording this whole time. Should I just go?
Just go.
Just go.